We'll guide you through how to create a logo with Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop. Once it's open, you'll see a blank canvas ready for your design. Start by selecting the circle tool from the toolbar on the left. Click and drag on the canvas to create a circle. To make sure it's a perfect circle, hold down the Control key as you drag. Next, go to the fill and stroke panel on the right to choose your preferred color for the circle. Now, let's add text to your logo. Select the text tool from the toolbar and click on your canvas where you want the text to appear. Type in your brand name or logo text. You can adjust the font size and spacing from the text and font panel, which you can access from the text menu at the top. Once your text is in place, you might want to align it with the circle for a more cohesive design. Use the Align and Distribute tool found in the Object menu to center your text within the circle. If you want to add more elements like lines or shapes, use the corresponding tools in the toolbar. Once your design is complete, you need to save it. Go to File and select Save As. Choose SVG format for a high-quality, scalable logo that can be easily edited later. You can also export it as a PNG for web use by going to File and selecting Export PNG Image. Make sure to set the desired resolution and click Export. Now you have a professional logo created in Inkscape. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.